Have you ever wondered why we miss someone so much when they're not around? It's because of a little thing called the principle of scarcity. This psychological concept tells us that we value what's rare, what's hard to get, what's not always available. Picture this. There's a man named Tom. Tom was always there for his partner, always available. But then Tom started taking up painting, something he'd always been passionate about. He began spending less time with his partner and more time in his studio. Suddenly his partner started to miss him, started to value the time they spent together more. Why? Because Tom became scarce. He became something his partner couldn't always have, and thus became more desirable. This principle of scarcity, it doesn't just apply to economics or marketing, it's deeply rooted in our relationships too. And that, my friends, is the first secret, the power of absence. What if I told you that the most powerful tool in making someone miss you is your ears? Imagine this. There was a man who felt his relationship was slipping away. He was always there, always present, but something was missing. Then he decided to listen more. Not just to the words, but to the silence, the laughter, the sighs. He started hearing the unspoken emotions, the hidden fears, the unfulfilled desires. Research says that when people feel heard and understood, it creates a deep emotional bond, the kind that makes you irreplaceable, the kind that makes them miss you when you're not around. Because when you listen, you're not just hearing words, you're hearing their dreams, their stories, their life. You're becoming a part of their world, and when you're a part of someone's world, they miss you when you're not there. They long for your presence, for your understanding, for your ears. That's secret number 2, the art of listening. Do you know that being a little mysterious can make you irresistibly attractive? Now, let's talk about a man named John. John wasn't the most handsome or the richest, but he had a knack for keeping his partner intrigued. He'd always maintain an element of mystery, never revealing everything at once. One day he might surprise her with a home-cooked meal, the next an impromptu road trip. This unpredictability stimulated something in her brain. You see, unpredictability can trigger the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that's linked to feelings of pleasure and attraction. It's like a roller coaster ride. The thrill of not knowing what's around the next corner, the anticipation. It all adds up to an adrenaline rush that's hard to resist, so keep them guessing, keep them on their toes. A little mystery can go a long way in making you an enigma they're desperate to decode. Secret number 3 is the mystery factor. Did you know that being self-reliant can make you more attractive? Let's delve into the story of James. James was a man who relied heavily on his partner, always seeking her approval and opinion. However, when he started a journey of self-discovery and independence, his partner found him even more appealing. He was no longer the man who depended on her for every decision, but someone who was confident in his own abilities and choices. Research supports this narrative. Studies have shown that independence can indeed be a major turn-on. It symbolizes strength, confidence, and the ability to stand on one's own feet. It's not about being aloof or distant, but about demonstrating that you can manage your life effectively. This independence not only makes you more attractive, but also allows you to contribute positively to the relationship, bringing in a unique perspective and strength. That's secret number 4, independence and self-reliance. Can showing your emotional depth make you more desirable? Indeed, it can. There's a tale of a man named John who was known for his stoic demeanor. John was in a relationship with a woman named Lisa. Lisa loved John, but she often felt a wall between them, a barrier that John's emotional reserve had built. One day, John took a leap of faith. He opened up to Lisa about his fears, his dreams, his past, and his hopes for the future. He shared tears and laughter, revealing a side of him Lisa had never seen before. The impact of this emotional honesty was profound. Lisa felt closer to John, and her longing for him intensified. The vulnerability John displayed didn't make him weak. It made him human, relatable, and deeply desirable. It's a powerful testament to the strength of emotional depth and its ability to deepen connections. Secret number 5 is emotional depth. How can shared experiences make someone miss you more? Let's ponder on a tale of two souls, Jack and Jill. They were just acquaintances until they decided to join a local hiking club together. As they ventured through winding trails and climbed towering peaks, they found themselves sharing not just experiences, but also laughter, tears, and triumphs. Each hike was a new adventure, a new story. And with each story, their bond grew stronger, their connection deeper. You see, shared experiences are like invisible threads that weave individuals together. They create a unique tapestry of memories that's exclusive to those involved. These experiences don't have to be grand or extraordinary, they just need to be genuine. Be it cooking a meal together, volunteering at a local shelter, or even getting lost in a foreign city, these shared moments can create strong emotional bonds that linger even in absence. That's secret number 6, shared experiences. Can a simple touch make someone miss you more? Let's delve into an intriguing tale. Once upon a time, there was a man named Ethan. Ethan had a special knack for making his partner feel cherished and adored, and it was all down to his magic touch. Whether it was a gentle hand on the small of her back, a caress of her cheek, or a playful tap on her shoulder, every touch conveyed affection and left her yearning for more. Now let's get scientific. Touch, in fact, stimulates the release of oxytocin, a hormone often referred to as the love hormone. This hormone fosters bonding, deepens emotional connections, and can profoundly intensify feelings of longing. It's like a secret language of the skin, communicating messages more powerful than words. So gentlemen, remember this: a carefully placed touch can speak volumes. It can make your presence felt even when you're not around. Secret number 7 is the importance of touch. Do you know that creating unforgettable memories can make someone miss you more? Let's take a journey with a couple. Let's call them Jack and Jill. They met in the summer of 2020, and from then on they wove a tapestry of unique experiences. From the adventurous mountain hikes to the quiet nights under the starlit sky, each moment was a page in their shared story. These memories became a part of their emotional blueprint. The laughter, the shared glances, the whispered secrets, all of these etched into their hearts. And when they were apart, these memories came alive, painting vivid images of their time together. It was like a movie reel of nostalgia playing on loop in their minds. These memories triggered feelings of longing, a sweet ache that only the presence of the other could soothe. And that's the magic of unforgettable memories. They become echoes of a shared past, calling you back to the person who helped create them. That's secret number 8, unforgettable memories. Can your words make someone miss you more? Let's delve into a story about a man named Mark. Mark wasn't the most charismatic or charming guy, but he knew the power of words. He would often write letters to his partner, expressing his thoughts, feelings, and desires. These weren't just any letters, they were deeply emotional, filled with passion and authenticity. His partner felt every word, every emotion, and it created a deep emotional connection between them. Even when they were apart, those letters made her feel as if he was right there with her. Words have a unique way of triggering feelings of love and longing. They can paint vivid pictures in our minds and send shivers down our spines. They can make us laugh, make us cry, and most importantly, make us feel deeply connected to someone. So remember, your words carry weight. They can make someone miss you, long for you, and love you. Secret number 9 is the power of words. Do you know that patience can make someone miss you more? Let's delve into a story. Once upon a time, there was a man named John. John was deeply smitten by a woman named Lily. However, instead of rushing things, he decided to take his time. He allowed their relationship to flourish at its own pace, never pressuring Lily, always showing respect for her space and time. This patience not only won Lily's heart, but also made her miss John whenever he wasn't around. But why does patience work this way? Well, it's simple. Patience creates a sense of anticipation, a longing for what's to come. It's like waiting for your favorite show's next season. The anticipation only makes the experience more enjoyable and the wait more endearing. So if you're looking to make someone miss you, remember to be patient. Let things unfold naturally and watch as the longing grows. And finally, secret number 10, the power of patience. To wrap up, Let's revisit the 10 secrets that can make her desperately miss you. We started with the power of absence, a reminder that distance can indeed make the heart grow fonder. Then we moved on to the art of listening, a crucial skill often overlooked. The mystery factor came next, highlighting the appeal of unpredictability and intrigue. We also touched on independence and self-reliance, a potent allure in any relationship, followed by the importance of emotional depth, which fosters a profound connection. Shared experiences, we discovered, create a lasting bond, while the importance of touch cannot be overstated in building intimacy. We delved into the creation of unforgettable memories, a cornerstone of longing and the power of words, which can be a powerful tool in expressing love and desire. Finally, we explored the power of patience, a virtue that can make all the difference. Remember, these secrets are not manipulative tricks, but ways to deepen your relationship and make it more fulfilling. So go out there, apply these secrets, and see the magic happen.